The Trimapanel FW system is specified when fire resistance is required to a boundary-facing wall elevation. Simply apply the self-adhesive fire seal roll, supplied by Building Systems UK, for a quick and reliable installation. Position the seal within the female recess of the outer steel skin joint. When fitting the panels, ensure foam-to-foam contact to maintain air tightness and thermal performance. Insert the specified number of fasteners into each support along the male edge, using the nailing groove as a guide. Continue this process to complete your elevation. Fix the specified internal joint fasteners at 250 mm intervals through the upper overlapping section of the joint.